Cloning. It's a word that sparks both wonder and worry. Imagine creating an exact copy of something. That's what cloning aims to do in the world of biology. We're talking about creating a genetically identical copy of a living organism. Cloning isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's already happening. Scientists have successfully cloned animals like the famous Dolly the sheep. But cloning is more than just making copies of animals. It holds the potential to change the world as we know it. Imagine treating diseases, saving endangered species, or even growing organs for transplantation. These are just a few of the possibilities that cloning presents. But before we unlock this potential, we need to understand what cloning really means. Cloning might seem like science fiction, but the process is rooted in biology. It starts with DNA, the blueprint of life found in every cell. Think of DNA as a set of instructions that tell a cell how to grow and develop. In cloning, scientists take the DNA from one organism's cell. This DNA is then inserted into an egg cell from another organism. The egg cell, now containing the DNA of the first organism, is then stimulated to start dividing. This dividing egg cell forms an embryo which is then implanted into a surrogate mother. The result? The birth of an organism that's genetically identical to the original DNA donor. It's a complex process, but it highlights the incredible advancements we've made in genetic science. The potential benefits of cloning are as vast as the universe itself. Imagine a world where we can cure genetic diseases by replacing faulty genes. Cloning could hold the key to this medical marvel, but it doesn't stop there. Cloning could revolutionize agriculture by allowing us to create crops resistant to diseases. This could mean more food for a growing population. And for endangered species on the brink of extinction, cloning offers a glimmer of hope for survival. Imagine a future where organ transplantation is no longer limited by donor availability. Cloning could allow us to grow organs in a lab, eliminating the wait for a life-saving transplant. The possibilities are truly endless. While the potential benefits of cloning are undeniable, we must also confront the risks and ethical dilemmas. Cloning raises concerns about genetic diversity. A world populated by clones could be more susceptible to diseases. The process itself is also far from perfect. Cloning attempts often result in miscarriages and birth defects, raising serious concerns about animal welfare. And then there's the ethical minefield. Should we be playing God by creating life in a lab? What about the rights of clones? These are questions that society must grapple with before we venture further down the path of cloning. The future of cloning hinges on our ability to balance its potential with the profound ethical implications.